Okay, this one is one that's solving a quadratic given a word problem. So anytime that is the case, always look for the equation given. In this case, where did my Desmos calculator go? In this case, it happens to be, I'll get my Desmos calculator back up. But in this case, it happens to be negative 16x squared plus 40x plus 5. And I would just put that into my Desmos calculator, which appears to have disappeared. There we go. There it is. And I've already put the equation in. So this point right here, that's where the important piece of information is, because the question asks how long will it take the ball to reach its highest point. You should recognize that the highest point is going to be the maximum. So our maximum point is at 2.25 and 30. And you need to know what those two pieces of information means. Remember that your x is always going to be time, and your y is always going to be like a distance. Most of the problems are like some type of distance, or like how long did it take something to happen. So in this case, if it asks for the highest point, this is indicating is that it took 1.25 seconds to go 30 feet. So how long will it take the ball to reach its highest point? Your answer would be 1.25 seconds.